Nice, guys. As you can see, we got our Delta Executor absolutely free and safe with key, guys. Hey people, what is up and welcome to my brand new tutorial. In this tutorial, guys, I'm going to show you how I got Delta Executor for my Roblox absolutely free, safe and online. And guys, we don't have to download any modded APKs or any software. It's automatically, it will be added to your account and you can remove it every time, and it's undetected, guys. You cannot get banned, so it's really important. So you can do it with your Android or your iOS or even your PC, guys. You can do it whatever you want. So go to Google or any browser you got and navigate to this website. It's called bloxforge.com. You will find it easily. Click Delta Executor tool, and then guys, we will have to enter our profile URL. So go to roblox.com, log into your profile and copy your profile link. So let me show you guys. Go to your profile, as you can see, and copy your profile link, and let's get back to the tool. So click there, it will paste link, and link will be automatically extracted to your UID. So yeah, allow it up to 5 seconds to find our user account. As you can see, user found. Nice, guys. So second step is to select our Delta Executor, I mean to import to our account. So just click on, and here guys, we will have to select a pre-installed script that will be added to our Delta Executor. So you can select whatever you want, guys. I will select Forge Hub and this name hider. So yeah, you can select whatever you want, and we are band protected, as I said. So just click continue when you select this, and let's wait for this third step, guys. Make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all this kind of reviews and tutorials. So let's see what we'll get after this third step, guys. Okay, API is connected. Nice. User connected, and guys, our activation key is generated. As you can see, we got our Delta Executor key, and guys, this key will be imported to our Delta Executor once we finish this bot check. We must do it because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts, so we will have a few minutes to complete this. Just click I'm not a robot, guys, and it will redirect us to the manual verification, and it's the last step until we receive our Delta Executor with key to our account, guys. So we'll have a list of 6 free tasks, and we will have to complete only 2 tasks from this list. So guys, make sure to complete 2 tasks from this list by your choice. It's really whatever you want. For my opinion, the best thing you can do is to download Dice Dreams and TikTok. It's the game install and it's app install. So basically you click free, click go, and you follow their instructions. It's really important. So what will I do now? I will download Dice Dreams and TikTok, and I will follow their instructions. So for Dice Dreams, I will download and install this, then run it and restore Kingdom 6. So click go, and it will start downloading from Google Play if you're using your Android phone. And if you're using your iOS phone or iPhone, it will start downloading from the App Store. So guys, after this, I will download TikTok, download and install this, then run it for 30 seconds. So click go, and it will start downloading. So guys, that's pretty much what will I do now. See you when I complete these 2 tasks. Be right back. So let's see together what will happen, and does it actually work.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this and this task from this list, as I said, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text. Guys, I'm still waiting for about 1 minute and nothing happened. It should redirect us every second. I won't skip this video. Nice, guys, verification successful. Thank you for passing the bot check. Delta Executor is imported to your account. Guys, our user ID connected, and our Delta Executor key is now revealed, and it's connected to our Delta Executor. So guys, the last step is to open our Roblox and to test will we actually receive this. We will open whatever game, guys. Let's go to Blox Fruits, and let's see, guys, will we actually get our Delta Executor into our Roblox with key, of course. So let's see. Okay, nice, guys. As you can see, we got our Delta Executor absolutely free and safe with key, guys. So as you can see, we also have our pre-installed scripts. So let's click execute and let's see, guys. That's nice. As you can see, it's game detected blocks fritz, and let's see, guys, how does it work. So as you can see, we will have all these amazing settings. So yeah, anti-night, no fog, FPS booster. It's working amazing, guys. As you can see, our Delta Executor along imported scripts works amazing. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. So make sure to subscribe to my channel to stay updated with all these kind of tutorials. Once again, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.